Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Mouli and welcome to another exciting episode where I will be talking about dupes. The dupes that we're going to talk about in this video are going to be base dupes, okay? So the base makeup products that I will be duping in this video, there are some very high-end products which I have duped for you guys in this video, and they are supremely affordable and they are beyond my expectation. I was just going through my makeup kit and I was just like, they are pretty similar in texture, they are similar in color, they are finish, every single thing are pretty similar. So that's why I duped them in this video. So I hope you will enjoy it. So further ado, let's begin. So firstly, we are going to be talking about foundation, and today we are going to be duping this MAC Mineralize Skin Finish foundation. The foundation retails for 3000 rupees and it is quite costly, and many people loves this foundation except the Studio Fix foundation. Studio Fix foundation is totally a matte finish foundation, but if you have a very dry skin or sensitive skin, you can go for the MAC Mineralize one because it has a very nice sheen finish. Not supremely dewy, not supremely matte. It just have a very satin finish which I really like. And if you want to build up to a full coverage foundation, you can do this because it has a light medium coverage foundation. It is not supremely full coverage foundation, but if you are looking for a full coverage foundation, you might want to use this twice, okay? The dupe that we have for this from the House of Pack, this is their HD liquid foundation. Now everyone says that this is a full coverage foundation, but this is not a full coverage foundation at all. This is the medium coverage foundation, and I have given a full in-depth review in this foundation. If you want to check that one, I will leave a link for you guys in the bottom part. It has exact same coverage compared to the MAC Mineralize one. It has exact same finish, same dewiness, same coverage. Everything is same compared to the MAC Mineralize one. So if you want to save some money and if you want to get the same coverage compared to the MAC Mineralize one, you might want to check out the Pack HD Liquid Foundation. After that, we are going to dupe a powder foundation or a compact powder, and today I have with me MAC Studio Fix Finish Compact Powder. I'm in the shade NC41, and if you are someone who doesn't like to use a foundation in a regular basis that harms your skin in a deeper level, definitely check out this compact powder because it has a full coverage, okay? It's non-debatable and it's so lightweight on the skin. But the dupe that we have for it from the House of Lakme. This is their Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Compact Powder Foundation, and this one is exactly the same texture compared to the MAC Studio Fix Compact Powder. The price comparison is like hell and heaven. This is a very pricey product, whether this one is not a pricey product at all, but it gives the same finish, the same texture, everything is same, and even the packaging is pretty similar. It has a dual side applicator, as you can see, and this one has also a dual side applicator. See, both of these works without the foundation, which is pretty good about this product. So if you are someone who doesn't like to apply foundation, definitely check out the powder foundation, and if you want to save some money, you know where to go for. I think you have already guessed that I'm going to be duping some MAC products, but that is not the story, guys. I'm going to be duping some other brands as well. And now we are going to be duping a translucent powder, and the translucent powder that I have with me, this is the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Oh my god, this is so costly and this is not easily available in India at all. You have to dig around some Instagram stores, and oh my god, it's very hard to find, okay? I got it from Cult Beauty, but you have to pay a lot of money to Cult Beauty whenever you are purchasing something. The shipping charge is way too high, okay? So the dupe that I have for it is so unexpected, guys. I don't even like the brand so much, but still I like the product like my baby, okay? I'm gonna talk about this Stay Quirky translucent powder. Oh my god, this is so buttery. The powder is so micro finished and they just glides into the skin. Exactly similar to the Laura Mercier one, which I really like. This is my second bottle, so you can say that I love this translucent powder. In terms of translucent powder, I don't own a lot of translucent powder, but I love this particular translucent powder for the texture, for the finish, for the coverage that it gives. Every single thing is mind-blowing. And about this Stay Quirky powder, it works similarly to the Laura Mercier one, and it gives similar finish. It has micro texture and whatnot. Love this product, okay? I know it's very surprising, but just give it a try, okay? So of course, if you're tight on budget and if you're looking for a good translucent powder, definitely Stay Quirky is the one to go for. Next up, we have a blush, and the blush that I have is a very high-end blush, and every single person in this earth loves this blush. When I'm saying this, I mean it, okay? I have with me this Benefit California blush. This is the mini version because the bigger version is way too much costly, and this is the original version, and it has a very beautiful golden satin finish going on. So if you are applying this on the apple of the cheeks, you don't have to apply any type of additional highlighter, which is the biggest part about this particular product. It also comes with a brush, which is pretty beautiful brush, so you don't have to invest in any other extra blush brush, which is really good, and it has a little bit of sheen going on. As I have told you, it is pink in color, but if you can see, there is a lot of golden reflexes going on. And the dupe that we have for it, again, it's pretty unexpected, but the dupe that we have for it is from the Swiss Beauty Ultra Blush palette, and this is the exact color right here. I mean, come on, give this one a try, okay? You will not regret it. It has also a beautiful golden finish going on. It has some glitter chunks, which I don't mind. So if you are applying this particular shade, you don't have to apply any type of additional highlighter, although it has a lot of colors, but we are gonna duping only this particular shade, okay? And the texture, the finish, the color, every single thing is same about this particular shade compared to the Benefit California blush. So if you're looking for an exact dupe of this product, go for the Swiss Beauty Ultra Blush palette. Last but not the least, we are going to be duping a highlighter, and the highlighter that I have for you guys is favorite for everyone, whether you have fair skin tone, medium skin tone, dark skin tone, everyone loves this particular shade of highlighter, and I'm talking about this MAC Soft and Gentle Mineralized Skin Finish. This is the beautiful golden undertone highlighter. You will never find such a beautiful golden undertone anywhere. Just find it out, you will never find it. That's why everyone loves this particular shade, and the dupe that I have for it, it was pretty tough for me to find an exact dupe of this product, okay? I went through almost 25 highlighters to find the exact dupe, and thankfully I just found out, okay? Finally I just found out, which was a good thing for me. And the dupe that we have for it from the house of Revolution Pro Illuminate, this is their Revolution Pro Illuminate highlighter, and guess what? This was my first ever highlighter. This was my first ever purchase from the house of highlighter, and I found the dupe and I was so excited. I was so happy that I am sharing this particular highlighter with you guys as the dupe of MAC Soft and Gentle. Both of them have little bit of glitter chunks, and if you compare their price, they are again so different. Of course, this is much more affordable than this one. So if you want to find the exact dupe of Soft Gentle, definitely check out the Revolution Pro Illuminator. Alright, so with that, we are done with our dupes video. I really hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you found this video helpful, then please do not forget to like it and also share it with your friends and family, and do let me know in the comment section if you want to see some other high-end brand product dupe. I would love to do that for you guys. Recently it has become my hobby to find out some dupe, because I do search a lot of makeup products nowadays, and I do buy a lot of makeup products nowadays. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I will see you guys on the next one. Till then, I love you all so much, and by the way, if you are new to this channel, please take a small moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon as well. Help me to grow, and yeah, that's it. Stay happy, stay beautiful. Bye.